Hi guys, I just wanted to take a minute to show you this new rug that I got on Amazon. I am so happy with this and just how much it brightens up this space, how clean and bright it looks in here. I had another rug in here that was about the same size and it was a little bit darker. It had like some grays and blues and it was really pretty. But I pulled it up to clean and I couldn't believe like how dirty the rug was and just decided I wanted to get something new. And am so happy I went with this. I'm kind of surprised at how just a slightly lighter shade is brightening up the room so much. And I live in a really small space. So it really, just having that brighter look makes it seem a bit bigger, because lighter colors usually make a space seem larger. On this side of the rug, you have this kind of rubbery thing. So it's nice because you don't have to put like a thing underneath the rug to hold it in place. It just does it automatically. This is also washable. Of course, you need a pretty decent sized washing machine to throw it in, but it would be good to take it to more of like a place that has those larger washing machines if you ever need to wash it. But I'm planning on working to keep mine super clean. And I do think it would be pretty easy to wash actually if I spilled anything on it just like in place. But it's super soft. It's really beautiful. It stays in place. I am just crazy about it. I'll walk to this other side so you can see the room the other way. But isn't that just gorgeous? I am so crazy about it. Really, really, really happy. And I do think it comes in lots of different sizes, just depending on what your space is. But I'm pretty excited about this and really happy with it. Anyway, I hope this was helpful for you, and I hope you have a great day.